part 2 of my bedroom makeover, and I'm going to be making a chandelier. So we went to the beach and we found this piece of wood and we're like, oh, this would be perfect. So now we're going to make a driftwood chandelier for my room. Whoop! So what I'm going to do is I have this little hole and I have this little washer / nut thing that goes on here. And I'm just going to pop that in. And then on the other side, I'm going to pop the other one in. So now I'm just going to screw it in very tightly on this nut right here. So I'm just going to hold this one. Now I can go ahead and thread this wire through. So we split the ends of the wire so we can attach it to this bulb thing that I will show you that's in there. But first I have to feed the wire through, which is actually quite difficult because we have all these other wires. So we have to get it through this little tubey thing right here. And then we have to get it back around. So I'm just gonna feed that through. Okay, it has reached the opposite side. And I'm just going to jam that, well, not forcefully or anything, but I'm going to put that in the little container thing, or the piece of wood that we hollowed out. Now we have completely taken it out, so now I'm just gonna take this out. So I'm gonna feed it through as I'm taking, well, I don't really need to take it out, but usually the wires, you have to take it out. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. Now I'm going to start with the socket. So I'm just gonna unscrew this part. Okay. Off, and then, what did I do? Okay. And then I'm going to twist these wires so it doesn't bend them too much when I have to put this through. So I'm gonna put it through and I'm just gonna tighten it up. These little wires are being so annoying. They're they keep getting in the little socket things. Just going to loosen them as much as I can. There is a smooth one and a rough one. So the rough one isn't rough, but it has ridges on it. So that one is the black, and so that is the brass colored one. And so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little curvy rainbow thing. Rainbows and unicorns. No. I'm going to go ahead and pop that around. And then what you got to do is you have to tighten it so that, dang it. Okay. I need to cut more so there's more wire stuff here. So I'm just gonna use these little tool thingies. Oh, yay, I did it! Yay! Okay. Oh, yay, I got it off. Okay. So now I'm just gonna twist it a little bit. I'm not gonna twist it too much, so it might break the wire or something. Probably gonna do something. And I'm just gonna put it on the brass thing. Brass screw, not thing. Alright, so now I'm gonna put it on the other side. So the other side is the flat or smooth side. And I'm gonna put it on the silver screw. And just going to tighten that. And we are good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and feed it through and keep pulling. So now that I did that, I just popped that thing in place right there. And I'm going to screw this on. We are going to be attaching the piece that will fit it. Attach it to the light fixture to the ceiling. And after this, we're gonna have to go ahead and put some light bulbs on this and install it in the bedroom. So we're just going to put all the wires through the little holes. And then we're gonna line up the little holes because there's the screws in the holes. And then I'm just going to screw it into the wood. All we have to do now is go ahead and screw this into the ceiling. And we have a light fixture for the room. I'm going to get some help installing this light in the room. Remember guys, electricity can be dangerous, so make sure you get help. Woo. All we gotta do is put the last bulb on the light fixture that we made, and this room is done. Woohoo! Party, party, party. Nah, I'm just kidding. It was lots of fun doing this room, putting it together, painting it. Anyway, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go ahead and screw this bulb in. All right, now let's light it up. Yes. Okay guys, that's it for the room renovation. This has been so much fun. I love the new room. It looks so perfect. And yeah, I don't think there's anything else I could really say. It's so amazing. All right, guys, see you next time.